Not every gold IRA company is built to help you for the long run. Some just want a quick sale. But a real partner helps protect your savings for years to come. Here's how to tell the difference. You can start by asking, does this company focus on education or just flashy offers? On Augusta Precious Metals website, you will see an entire education section and a straightforward layout that builds trust. That's what you want in a long-term partner. Next, check how clearly they explain key topics like fees, risks, and account setup. Companies that are built for long-term relationships won't hide the fine print. They will walk you through the process step by step. If you're not sure what to ask or what to look for, download the free checklist I've linked below this video. It will help you quickly spot the red flags and find a partner you can trust. Don't get stuck with a company that disappears after the sale. Grab the free company comparison checklist below and use it to make a smart, long term choice for your retirement.